guys, welcome back to Emmventures. Today we are starting our adventure in the middle of a beautiful forest. It is calm, it's quiet, it's peaceful. This is what I've been wanting. Hold on. I think it's just the wind creaking the trees. This tree was giving me some creaks. So, as I was saying, welcome back, and let's start exploring this beautiful forest. So, as you can see, it's the middle of a forest. I do not know what I'm going to find, as you can see, as nobody's explored this area. I don't even know if those are human footsteps. But let's keep going and see where we end up. So I'm not really looking for anything in particular. I'm just kind of looking. Ew. I think this is like the ground final bathroom or something. So you guys need to keep your eyes open, because if you see something that I don't see, definitely drop a comment below. Let me know. We're going to follow this animal trail because it looks like they know where to go. Not that way. So yeah, as I said, I have no idea what is in this forest. I hope there's something cool, but truthfully, I don't think there is. I think it's just a cool forest to explore in the middle of winter, because who doesn't like going on a winter hike? Because I know I do. And the plus side about the winter hikes too is you don't really have to worry about bugs. You don't really have to worry about too much. Just holes, I guess. So you can't really see where you're walking. This place is pretty cool. I wonder if something lives in there. Well, if it is someone's home, definitely don't want to disturb them. It's very random. I wonder if someone put that up there. Trees are just so tall out here. Just had to push through some thick trees. I like how there's that one random birch. It's so tall. Yeah, so I truthfully don't think I see anything out here except for some trees. Oh, sorry about that, guys. We all got a stick in the face that time. So I go by this little forest all the time, and I've always wondered what was in it. Well, nothing really. Come out to a nice big clearing. What's that? Oh, it's a tree. Yeah, I was really hoping because this forest is in like a farmy area. Like the other side of here is a farm, and the other side of this forest is another farm. And to get from one farm to the other, it's about a 10-minute walk. Like, what are the odds that it fell in across? So I truthfully was hoping that there was something cool that was going to be out here. Minus all the trees and stuff. So it's not actually that cold out. I think it's only -2, maybe -4. But there's no wind chill, so -4 is actually not that cold. It's actually quite refreshing. Because if you're doing a hike and you get too hot, well, then you get dehydrated and things like that. But in the wintertime, I'm not encouraging you to eat the snow, but if you're ever out on a hike and it's wintertime when you get lost, well, have some sort of liquid. I don't know if I want to push my way through that. I'm going to backtrack a little bit. But I swear to you guys, this is my promise not only to you, but to myself as well. There will be more Emmventures exploring videos because I love exploring. I love seeing what I could see. Yeah, it's just thick trees. Some trees that fell down. Alright. Sorry about that delay. Got stuck. Gotta duck under. We're gonna be short for a little while. But yeah, as you guys can see, there's no other footprints except for some animals and mine. So there definitely is nobody out here with me except for me. So right now I'm just trying to get out of all this thick forest because like can't really step anywhere without having to duck or climb or push my way through. Actually, I think we If we continue to go this way, we're heading out. This is the exit. Would explain why it's so dense. Forest is trying to deter us from exploring, but we will explore. Oh, we're back here again. All right. So we're gonna go up the road because I think we want to get back over there. I think that's where we should be exploring. One day I will explore this whole forest. Just look at how pretty it is though. Just a really loud truck. I guess that's the drain for the river. Just look in there though. Looks super cool. That's random. I guess there must have been a gate here at one point, maybe? Looks pretty cool in there. So, I believe this trail that I'm currently walking along leads to a bunch of other trails. I'm not sure if I want to take you guys on this trail adventure today because I've never done it and because I don't know how long it is, and I don't want to make my videos too long for you guys. I don't want them to get boring. So, if you have any ideas on some cool adventures, drop a comment below and let me know. But I definitely think we should be stopping our adventure here, and maybe we'll continue on that way in another day. So, with that being said, I want to thank you for coming on this adventure with me. Thank you for enjoying the snow and this beautiful day, and it's starting to get a little windy. That's okay. So, you know what you have to do? I know what I have to do. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications. And tell your friends about Emmventures. Come on more adventures with me. So, always remember to stay blessed, stay safe, and always enjoy the little things. Thank you for being with me today on Emmventures, and have a wonderful day.